Installing Valorant with high ping can be challenging, but following these steps will help you optimize your experience. Here is a straightforward guide to assist you. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Valorant. This includes having a compatible operating system, sufficient RAM, and a capable graphics card. Step 2. Download the installer. Visit the official Valorant website and download the game installer. Make sure to download it from the official source to avoid any security issues. Step 3. Install the game. Run the downloaded installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Valorant on your computer. Choose the installation location and wait for the process to complete. Step 4. Optimize network settings. To help with high ping issues, check your network settings. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, and close any background applications that may be using bandwidth. Step 5. Launch and configure. Once installed, launch Valorant. Go to the settings menu and adjust the graphics and network settings to optimize performance based on your system capabilities and internet connection. By following these steps, you should be able to install and play Valorant while managing high ping effectively. Enjoy your gaming experience.